Welcome to Health Hustle Academy, where we help you optimize your health, your hustle, and your energy. Today, we're diving into something most people struggle with but don't fully understand: sleep. If you're tired, moody, gaining weight, or can't focus, poor sleep might be the real reason. So, let's break down what happens to your body when you don't sleep enough, and how to fix it naturally. Sleep is when your body repairs, resets, and rebuilds. But when you're sleep deprived, here's what goes downhill fast. First, there's brain fog and poor focus. Your brain literally can't clean itself without sleep. Memory, focus, decision-making all get foggy. Next, cravings and weight gain. Sleep affects hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Less sleep means honestly more cravings, especially for sugar and carbs. Then comes hormonal chaos. Testosterone drops, cortisol rises, and insulin sensitivity crashes. You store more fat and feel more stressed. There's also muscle loss and weak recovery. No sleep equals less growth hormone. That means slower muscle repair and less fat burning. And finally, your immune system weakens. Even one night of poor sleep drops your immune function by up to 70%. You get sick easier and recover slower.
Know you've been a good friend.
Here's how to fix your sleep without pills. First, get morning sunlight. 10 to 15 minutes of natural light in the morning sets your circadian rhythm and boosts melatonin at night. Second, no screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, so swap screens for a book, journaling, or stretching. Third, create a calming night routine. Same routine, same time. Try herbal tea, meditation, or warm showers to signal your body it's time to wind down. Fourth, sleep in a cool, dark room. Ideal sleep temperature is 60 to 67 degrees. Use blackout curtains and keep electronics out of the bedroom. And fifth, use natural supplements if needed. Magnesium glycinate, L-theanine, and melatonin can help, but don't rely on them long-term. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a non-negotiable part of your hustle. Fix your sleep and you'll boost your focus, mood, metabolism, and strength. Drop a comment with how many hours you sleep a night. Subscribe, and visit healthhustleacademy.com for more wellness tools that fuel your performance, day and night. All links for our products are below in the description. Sleep smart, stay hustling.